Are you prioritizing your skincare correctly? I saw this article from Refinery 29 today about skincare products that are a scam. As your beauty bitch who has worked in skincare for over 10 years, I wanted to weigh in on things that I agree and don't agree with so that you can prioritize the time that you're spending on your skincare as well as the money you are spending on the products. So the first product that they have is an eye cream. And it's definitely true that any other type of moisturizer can basically do what your eye cream is doing. So I wouldn't say an eye cream is a necessity. So in that way, I do agree with this article. But I personally love having an eye cream for a few reasons. First of all, not all regular moisturizers are tested for safety around the eye area. I want to protect my corneas, protect my eyes, and so I do love the reassurance of testing that it is safe to use around the eye area. Number two, eye creams tend to be a little bit thicker, and I like a little bit of a thicker moisturizer around my eyes that I wouldn't really like on the rest of my face, just because your eye area is a little bit more delicate and it's thinner, so I love a little bit more of that occlusive feeling. And lastly, anyone who follows me knows that I preach that you must use things like retinol and vitamin C, which are the only things proven to build collagen, and you definitely need those things around the eye area because it is most prone to aging. These ingredients are amazing, but sometimes they can be very harsh around the eye area and not safe for the eye area in certain formulas and at very high levels. So I like to use eye creams that do have these ingredients, but at levels and in formulas that are safe to use around the eye area so that you can keep those eyes fresh and young looking without any risk of damage to your eyes. So the next one is going to upset a few people, but it is face wipes. I know a lot of people love them. Are they effective in removing makeup and dirt? Absolutely. The reason why it is not the best method when it comes to makeup removal is that number one, wipes only really get the surface of your skin. A lot of times makeup is deep within your pores, so it's not going to give you the best clean, especially if you have congested, acne-prone skin. Second is that they can be a little bit aggressive and abrasive on your skin, so it can compromise your skin barrier. In general, derms recommend using some type of cleansing oil that is going to get deeper into your pores, and it's also a lot more gentle on your skin and is not going to disrupt your skin barrier. So that is definitely the most effective way to remove makeup. And then of course you follow up with a double cleanse with your regular cleanser. And lastly, we have SPF serum. So I feel like this one is not a surprise. Alternative SPF formats just really aren't it. Again, the SPF you're wearing is the best SPF. So if you're only gonna wear a serum or a powder or a spray or whatever, it's better than nothing, but it's truly really not the most effective way for you to fight sun damage that can lead to both skin cancer as well as aging. You really wanna use a traditional lotion because that is what's going to sit on your skin properly and give you enough coverage and blockage against UV damage from the sun. So yeah, I would try and stay away from SPF serums. So the next product listed is Stretch Mark and Cellulite creams. You don't necessarily need to look for a specific cellulite or stretch mark cream because oftentimes, yeah, those are a little bit gimmicky and a little bit of a scam. Specifically for cellulite, what I would look for is a retinol cream, which is gonna get deep in your skin and help promote skin renewal, which is gonna help improve the appearance of cellulite. And for stretch marks, I would look for some type of skin treatment with tranexamic acid, which will help fade the look of them. So again, it's not about looking for specific cellulite or stretch mark creams. It's about finding the right ingredients in the right formulas that will be most effective in fighting these things. So those are my general thoughts. I hope it was helpful. And if you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a comment.